Graduation is an important stepping stone in your life. I am sure all of you have worked hard to reach this stage today. I am sure you are eager and excited to contribute to the world and bring about change in the lives of the people. Today, you are taking countless memories with you. I have been told that your vibrant campus is full of extracurricular activities. There are a large number of clubs engaged in debating, dramatics, music, and other cultural activities. I have also been told about some interesting names like Mavericks and Pantomime. I have also been informed about the canteen, which is interestingly named as Hexagon. And the other canteen with the serious name, Homi Bhabha Canteen, has been naturally abbreviated as HB Canteen for popular uses. But beyond the little joys and sorrows you take away from here, there is a huge responsibility on each one of you to pay back to the society and the country which have contributed to your education and success so far. Some of you would be joining job responsibilities while others may pursue higher studies. The stage of life in which you find yourself today is usually full of dreams and aspirations on the one hand and uncertainties and apprehensions on the other. This is also the time to make major life decisions. Starting a new job, pursuing your dreams, supporting your family, or starting a new one. While doing all this, I urge you all to introspect. What are the values and principles you stand for? What is the kind of career you want to pursue? By far the most important point of introspection is what kind of person you want to become. I am sure everyone wants to be a good citizen, a citizen who always keeps the interest of the country uppermost in his mind. I would suggest that throughout your life, you should always look at the famous talisman of Mahatma Gandhi. I quote, "Recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man or women whom you may have seen and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to her. Will she gain anything by it? Will it restore her to a control over her own life and destiny?" Unquote. I advise you to never judge your success only in terms of material gains. You don't have to limit yourself by the pressures of conventional notions of success and societal pressures. You need to figure out what you really want to do in your life. Choose to do what gives you satisfaction and meaningfulness. Do what takes you closer to your aspirations. Do what makes your families proud of you. Plan for yourself a fruitful and productive path ahead.